Welcome back to another video tutorial, and here we'll be talking about how to design a logo. First, let us understand what a logo is. A logo is a unique and recognizable graphic symbol, emblem, or design that represents a business, organization, brand, or an individual. And there are characteristics of a good logo that you must know before we start. One of it is that it should be simple, it should be unique, it should be consistent, and it should be scalable. And a logo is often the very first thing customers encounter when interacting with a brand, and it serves as a visual symbol, that customers can easily recognize, making your brand stand out from other competitors. Don't forget, a well-designed logo can leave a positive and lasting first impression, which is crucial for every brand. Right, so we'll be designing this logo that you're seeing on the screen, and this is OP logo. A lot of you have accounts with OP, but can you design the logo? Okay, don't worry, I will put you through as you watch me do it step by step, then you carry out yours after this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing to do is to get your Canva app, and then you open your Canva, then you come to the plus button to create a new workspace. So you tap on this plus sign, and then you come to this search bar, and then just type Instagram posts. Alright, so I will just go for the second option where I have 1080 by 1080. You tap on it, and then we allow the workspace to load. Canva may want to give you options of templates. Don't do that. Alright, so you just slide back and then get back to the blank workspace. We are going to do this design from scratch. Okay, the first element that I'm going to bring in here is a circle, so I'm going to click on the elements option here, and then I will search for circle. So you search for circle, okay, and we have it there. So you just tap on it to bring it into the workspace. Close the dialog box, and then it will give you a better view of the workspace. All right, so I'm going to increase the size of these to something that I'm comfortable with. So you tap on the edge, and then you increase the size to, okay, let me bring it to the middle so that I can have room to increase the size like I want. So I think this is okay for me. So I'm going to bring it to the middle of the design. The grid line will direct you and guide your position. Okay, so I want to change the color now. The next thing to do is to tap on the color and then come to the plus sign of the color. So I'm going to enter the color code now showing on the screen. So alright, so I'll close the dialog box and then go back to the workspace. Okay, so I want to duplicate this, so I tap on it and click on duplicate, and let me change the color to white first so that we can see what we're doing. So I'm changing the color to white, and at the same time I want to reduce the size of this to something smaller than the first the first circle that I first brought in. So I'm doing this. Just do it carefully in your own keys as well. Alright, this is okay for me, so I'm going to bring this to the middle of the design, then I will leave it there. So I want to bring in another shape. Tap outside the white space each time you want to pick something from the element. That is to enable you to unselect anything that is showing on the workspace. Alright, so and then I'll tap on the element, and then I'll type in square shape. So I'm going to type in square shape, and we just search for it, and here we have it. So you tap on it and bring it in. So the color is green, can you see it here? But I want to change the size of the square shape also, so you just reduce the size of the square shape. Alright, so I think I'm okay with this, so I will bring it to the side here at the center of the circle. Just watch the way I'm doing it, and then you will be fine. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to change the color to white also. Then I'll change this to white. Then I can duplicate it and then reduce the size of this. Let me bring it to this corner. and then I'll reduce the size equally. I need to zoom in to reduce the size from the other hand. All right, so I think I'm okay with this. So let me zoom into the design, and then I'll change the color of this to something navy blue kind of. So I will just change the color code here to what is related to navy blue. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to bring this into the middle of where we have the first square shape, and then I'll be fine. All right, so that is it. We are almost done with the logo design of OP. All right, so the next thing I'll be doing now is to group all the elements I brought into the design together so that I can move them collectively anytime I want to do so. So I will select one of them and click on the three dots, and then click on select multiple. Then I can pick other ones around, you see. So, and then once you have done that, you come back here and click on group. Okay, if you want to ungroup them, you can equally tap on ungroup, and then it will go back to the way it was. So let me close the dialog box. So I have the logo, grouped together, and I can scale it to the small size, bring it to big size, and then position it the way I want. So after doing this, I'll just put it somewhere here, and then I can just add in the text of the page. Just go to your text box, and then you can add in a befitting text that is good for it, like I'm doing currently. All right, so we are done with the design of the logo. See how simple and unique it is. That is OP logo for you. So you can just go ahead and then just click on export, and then you are going to download the logo. All right, so you just click on download, and then you are done. Okay, this is the 3D representation, and can you see how beautiful this is? We call it a 3D logo mockup, and we have other representation of other logos, like you can see. Can you see this? Can you see? All right, so I will be showing you how to design 3D logo mockups subsequently in the advanced class. People make serious money from doing just this. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please lay your hands on it and then try out your best in doing this same logo design. And I wish you all the best. I will see you in the next class. Bye for now.